Hey there, curious minds! So, you've just experienced the magic of medical massage therapy, and you're feeling fantastic! Now you might be wondering, why on earth should I bother with maintenance massage? Well, let me break it down. First up, think of maintenance massage as your superhero cape against future issues. It's like preventative care for your muscles, keeping those imbalances at bay and giving your joints a high five for their health. Now, let's talk stress. Life can be a roller coaster, right? Massage is like a soothing playlist for your body, regulating stress hormones and ensuring you catch those quality Z's for a happier you, which is important to brain recovery and oxygen. Muscle maintenance is where the real party's at. It's like your muscles hitting the gym regularly, but without the sweat. We're talking tension release, flexibility gains, and your body feeling like a well-oiled machine. Improved circulation is the unsung hero. Now imagine your blood doing a happy dance, delivering nutrients to your muscles and showing toxins the exit door. It's like a mini cellular detox session during every massage. Postural awareness is like having a little body whisperer. Your massage therapist, that's me, can give you tips on how to stand tall and move correctly. It's like your body's personal coach, cheering you on to better posture. Enhanced range of motion is your body's way of saying, I can do this. Joints are moving smoothly, muscles are doing a happy dance. Thanks to massage, you're the star of your own flexibility. And the cherry on top, holistic well-being. See, it's not just about the body. It's about your mind and your soul doing a happy jig. Less stress, more smiles, and an all-around sense of balance. So, my friends, maintenance massage isn't just a luxury. It's your secret weapon for a happier, healthier you. So, talk to your massage therapist, figure out a schedule that suits you, and keep riding that wave of feel-good vibes. Your body will thank you. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and share to a friend. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.